gold finally has achieved close to 1950 levels and now trading at 1947. Likewise, silver too has seen $24 levels. Now, if you recall yesterday's morning analysis, there were 2 points. First was to sell at 1934, where you can expect 1925-20 levels. That was done. And in the evening analysis, the buy was at 1928 and 1934 levels. I hope you all profited with the both ways things and from the two analysis a day. Now, what to expect today from gold and silver, and which position you should take before I come up with my next update before the US session. So we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels and trade as with the trailing stop loss and a strict stop loss. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen here. I will wait eagerly for gold to break past 1951 levels. Once gold trades above 1951, you can expect that we are looking forward to another good bullish move which might take it till towards 1958 and 1964 levels. Beyond that, certainly 1971 is my next target. So once you see gold trading above 1951, you can stay long here and you can expect another round of rise. So what it is trying to do, see, first resistance was at 1940, it has come out of 1940. Now this is going to be an extremely important support. If you see it trading below 1940 levels, you can expect 19. See, the levels at 1937 rather is going to be a good support. Below that only little more bearishness can be expected there. Now what it is trying to do, rise, retracement, rise. Now if it breaks past this zone, you can expect probably we may see it hitting 1954-55 first and then retracement, and then probably it can continue to trade bullish from there. So this is one expectation. Directional movement here is divergent and bullish. Stochastic has seen a drop but trying to rise again. The MACD is bullish again. It is trying to converge a bit. RSI is trading near to the highs. Probably it can go overbought if it continues to trade bullish from here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also you can find last two candles higher lows and lower highs. This candle has started with on a bullish note and try to breach past this, and once it trades beyond 1951, certainly more bullishness can be expected. However, let me show you something here on the 2-hour chart. See, one thing very important which I had shared yesterday also, which I am sharing since last few days. See, the lows here are pretty aligned. All the lows since last few trading sessions are pretty aligned here. Now if you look at this, if it continues to drop, now 1930 1925 levels are going to be the lowest point if it continues to drop from here. So what it is trying to do, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel, and the median of the channel right now, if you look at, is almost situated at around 1947 uh, 37 first, and then below that further bearishness can be expected. So 1937 levels appears to be a good support zone. Below that only little more bearishness can be expected. Directional movement moderately bullish here. Stochastic was overbought, now trying to look downwards. The MACD is divergent here, bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. RSI trading near the highs. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, similar is the observation, nothing different. Important thing is again the observation here. So maybe when few candles pass away, 1930 levels, 1925 levels is something which is going to be the bottom, below which if it crashes, then it can be considered as a bearish move and then it can drop significantly below that. Now look at 3-hour charts, and on the 3-hour chart, see, this candle started flat, achieved lower highs. Probably if it tries to drop, it can form a higher low. So only sell entry is below 1940 levels, below which 1937 the first support, and below which you can expect a little more drop which might take it till towards 34 35, also very good support, and below that you can expect further drop which might take it for 30 25 20 levels. On the upside, 1951 is something which I will look forward to. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic is overbought again, trying to look downwards. The MACD is in green and it is trading with little divergence. The RSI is near to the highs here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. See, achieving lower highs, it is trying to retrace, see the previous candle. So the entire movement might remain engulfed between these two levels, that is 1944, 1951, 50 levels. Probably that is my expectation. So only sell entries below 1940, this is confirmed, below which you can expect little more bearishness. And if you look at the 4-hour charts movement, see rise, retracement, higher lows, higher highs, and again trying to retrace here. So once it trades below 1940, you can sell, you can expect a little more drop, taking it till towards 1937, 35, 30 levels, which is very, very good support, and below that further bearishness if it breaks past 1930, 25 levels. So similar observation, I am repeating, but can't help. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic is overbought. The MACD is uh, trading with divergence, trading little bullish. RSI is trading near to the highs. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, and most importantly on the daily charts, see the candle size here. The tails are almost same, and the candle size is increasing. And this time it has opened with a flat head there. In fact, has achieved a little high. This means there is still bullishness left. Now, first thing is, if it continues to trade on the downside, once again the same observation. Remember, we did see this, that if you connect the dots, you will find that this is a flag here. And see, this time if it breaks out, this is going to be an extremely strong breakout on the upside. If it continues to trade above 1951, we can expect a sharper bullish move. Remember this fact. At the same time, one must not forget that this is still trying to trade in this flag. This I drew yesterday also. Once again, I am trying to draw, and hence you should remain cautious still here. Possibly 1951, once it breaks, it can fly a little more. So be aware of that. And on the downside, selling below 1940 certainly will bring little more selling opportunity, taking it till towards 1935, 30 levels and 25 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Look at the directional movement is bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is trying to converge here on the daily charts. It is at highs, and yesterday it started to cross over, failed to do so. RSI is overbought again. So the drop here can be extremely sharp. However, let's also have a look at the weekly chart that will show you the little picture. Now look at the weekly candle here. See here, higher lows, higher highs. So probably the lows and the highs are very well aligned here. So we have to remain cautious till 1951 levels. So for the day, sell at 1940, buy at 1951. Those who want to risk a little can sell at 1944 itself. Expect 1940 as the first target. And below 1944, for 1940, further bearishness can be expected 1937, 34, 30. And then below that, further bearishness will be seen. And on the upside, beyond 1951, you can buy for 1958, 1964 and 1971 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver trading at 2385 levels. And if you look at the hourly charts here, on the hourly charts, it is trying to consolidate. It has gone close to $24 levels as seen. It's dropped since then, trying to consolidate within this zone. Once it drops below 2375 levels, once it drops below 2375, you can sell again. And then you can expect that we might look at 2360. Now till 2360, it has got very, very good support. And only below 2360 you can expect little more bearishness in gold and silver, where you can expect it to hit 2340 levels on the downside. Directional movement bullish, stochastic has seen a bottom, trying to reverse. The MACD is trying to converge here. RSI is trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts, it is fairly consolidating here. I'll wait for it to break past 2375 in order to trade bearish, where you can expect 2370 is also little support, and then 2360. Below that, further bearishness can be expected. Now look at the silver's movement on the 3-hour charts. See, this is the bullish channel here. If it continues to trade on the downside, remember 2360 levels certainly be going to be the stronger support, and below that 2350, 2340 can also be. And 2340 is a very, very, very good support. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic trying to look downwards. MACD is in green, trying to converge here. RSI is trading near to the highs. If you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, $24. Now remember this fact. Once you see it trading above 24, you can stay long in silver. Also, another observation here is, see on the 3-hour charts, lower highs were seen, and this time it has breached past this channel on the upside, which is indicating bullishness. Once it trades above $24 levels, probably you can expect a very good bullish move, which in fact might take it till towards 24.50-60 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic was overbought, trying to look downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is trading at a comfortable level. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, 4-hour charts open flat, probably it can drag it a bit little on the downside. 2375 and 2370 can be seen. In fact, 2360, which is going to be a very good support for the day. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking down here, it is overbought. The MACD is also bullish, it is seen the highs, probably the candle is failing to go on the upside, and RSI is trading flat. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, as I said, if you just connect the dots here, the highs on the daily charts are still little away, but yes, $24 level certainly be a very good resistance there. Beyond 24, you can expect 24.10, and then beyond that 24.30, 24.60 levels can be expected. Beyond that, further bullish move can be seen there. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is trying to look upwards, trying to act bullish here. The MACD is bearish, it is trying to converge. RSI is trading flat. And let's also have a look at the weekly charts. Now on the weekly charts, more importantly, once you see it trading about 24, remember it can stretch till towards 24.50 levels, and beyond that it can continue to trade bullish. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought, looking down. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge here. RSI is trading near to the highs. Considering this, today sell at 2375, buy at 24. Those who want to risk a little can sell at 2380 itself, but then you have to be cautious of 23 till 2370. You have to, rather I will say till 2360, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, as forming a tail it can bounce back again on the upside. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.